Alright, so we've done cat. We've just done dog. You know what time it is now? It's time for my sister's pet bird, Rio. Rio can't talk yet, just like say words, but he can just say he can chirp. Yeah, he can chirp. And unfortunately, yeah, like he's actually the rarest colour bird. You know, he's actually the rarest colour. So yeah, sometimes he could be mischief and like get out his cage when my sister's changing his water. You know, even the shopkeeper who had him said that he was the rarest colour. Let's call her Sarah. You know. So yeah, Sarah said that. And for my sister's 16th birthday, my mum said, "Lauren, do you want to get Rio now?" She was like, yeah, I want to get Rio. So Sarah said, that would be 12. I forgot how much money he was, but I think it was 12. So my mum plays with her credit card and like, yeah. So my mum was like, there you go. And then my sister was like, yeah. So my mum was cool right there. So then Sarah hands Rio to my sister, and my sister's like, oh yeah. But yeah, so this is what Rio looks like right now. Yeah, you know, he's a nice little bird. You know, he's got some toys. Anyway, bye guys, and of course you get a free cookie. Bye.